My dear friends, let's pause for a moment and ask, who is truly poor? Is it the one who has no money? No. Real poverty is not measured by wealth. A truly poor person is someone who always has time for the useless, but no time for what really matters. Think about it. A man can live 60 years and yet never truly wake up. He spends his life half asleep, half aware, moving from day to day without asking a single question. Am I using my time wisely? Am I doing something that will actually shape my future? Time, my friends, is the real currency of life. Money can be earned and lost. But once time is gone, it never comes back. And here lies the biggest difference. White right pointing backhand index. A poor mind runs after money. White right pointing backhand index. A rich mind runs after time. Now ask yourself, how often do we claim, I don't have time? No time to exercise, no time to meditate, no time to learn, no time to grow. But the same person has hours to waste scrolling social media, gossiping, or watching meaningless reels. This is the tragedy of life: excuses for what matters, endless time for what doesn't. And remember this truth: no matter how talented or gifted you are, if you lack discipline, you will eventually fall. Talent without discipline is like a ship without a compass, drifting, directionless, doomed to crash. But even if you have no special talent, if you master just one thing, discipline, you will win in the end, because discipline is not about punishing yourself. It is about choosing wisely. Heavy checkmark. Cutting down the meaningless. Heavy checkmark. Multiplying the meaningful. That's it. That's the secret. So ask yourself every single day, where is my time going? What am I giving my life to? And whenever you catch yourself doing something, pause and ask a white right pointing backhand index, is this truly important? If yes, give it your all. If no, quit immediately, because life is short. And at the end of it, your regrets will not be about the money you didn't earn, but about the time you wasted on what never mattered. The strongest, the happiest, the most successful people are not those who had the most money, but those who valued every hour, every minute, every second. My friends, discipline may feel painful at first. But pain is the gateway to permanent joy. Those who avoid pain chase temporary pleasures and lose everything. Those who embrace discipline, those who honor their time, they rise, they succeed, they become unstoppable. So remember, white right pointing backhand index. Wealth will follow time. When you master your hours, money, success, and respect will automatically come to you. Ya script hi isko pard muj den har line kuhar laughs cookie main kia lika tasvia search kar sarkun word English or Urdu donan mine leekna.